So here we are, finally getting the One UI 3 Android 11 on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Here are some of the features, enhanced features. Better customization, improved performance, it says, and visual design. One UI 3 is designed to help you focus on what matters, it says. Our visual redesign has improved the places you visit the most, like the home screen and the quick panel. To reduce distractions, highlight important information and make your experience more consistent. Performance improvements will help apps run quicker while using less battery power, and One UI 3 puts control in your hands with new privacy controls, one-time permissions, and enhanced digital well-being. So like I said before, visual design, they've refreshed the look and feel of One UI 3. They've improved the performance of One UI 3. There's better customization. Enhanced features on the home screen and the lock screen. Calls and chats. Pictures and videos. A new simpler look to the settings. Samsung keyboard. And obviously productivity, easy media and device control. And I'm guessing better battery optimization. Here we go. And the One UI update, the One UI 3 update, with the January 1st security patch, comes to 2.1 gigabytes. So make sure you're downloading the update through Wi-Fi and not your data plan. Excuse the video, I'm recording on another phone, so I'll get back to you with the features. Right guys, so here it is. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 2 with One UI 3 on it. I downloaded it this morning and installed it. It was 2.5 gigabytes, well, 2.1 gigabytes. So let me give you a run through. All right, so here it is. This is the lock screen. So what's new? Well, first of all, as you can see, here's the volume rocker. The animations are really nice. Let's see if I can get this in. Look at that. It's really nice. Yeah. Settings have changed. So the whole look of everything has changed. It's extremely fast now. It's faster than what it was. Still getting used to it. The message app has changed. The phone app has changed. Yeah, that's what it is. It's beautiful. Let's see. Some people are reporting that on their S21s now, they've got Google Now instead of a Samsung Daily with the new update. For some reason, Mine still has a Samsung Daily, but I'm going to look into it and see what happens. It's a shame, really. There's Google. So there you go. What's that like? 2.1 gigabytes. I've changed everything. I've obviously got all my apps in folders here. What can I say? Oh, yeah. Dex, Samsung Dex has changed as well. The whole aesthetic of Samsung Dex, it's beautiful. Let me show you. All right, so then we're going to lock it. Nice. And I'm going to attach Samsung, the Fold, to the monitor. There you go. And now I shall show you what Dex looks like. There you go. That's my wallpaper I took in Bulgaria. Let's see if I can. There you go. Okay. So what I've noticed on Samsung Dex is that all the icons are smaller now. The whole aesthetic has changed. All of that has changed. That's nice. What else? Oh yeah, the app drawer. It just, I can't put my finger on it, but everything just looks much better. Everything just looks much better. They've done a really good job. I'll be making a video on Dex in a couple of days actually, to give you my experience. But in the meantime, this was just a short video to show you what the update brings, which is One UI 3.0 and it's Android 11. Let me show you Android 11. There you go. So about phone and software information. There you go. One UI, Android 11. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to comment below, like and subscribe for more videos to come. Have a good day.